Hi, it's Glenda here with Steps to Serenity, and I wanted to share with you today how to do something called 16 seconds. It is one of the best tools you can use to help relieve stress when you are feeling tense, when you feel like you're going to say something really you shouldn't, you're going to lose your cool, or you're just needing some relief for a minute. You can use 16 seconds. You can think of it as 16 seconds to bliss, 16 seconds to peace, 16 seconds to serenity. There's a similar method taught called square breathing. In the military, with first responders, they call it tactical breathing. So what you're going to do is, I want you to inhale for 4 seconds, then hold it for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds. And do it at your own count, because people have different amounts of time that they can hold that breath. But while you're doing it, you need to follow the breath in, feel it as it sits in that pause, and follow your breath back out. And in that way, your focus becomes on the breathing. It comes off of whatever is causing you angst. So it's called a pattern interrupt. So you can try it. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and follow it. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4. And you can repeat it. You can do that multiple times. You have a minute, you have 2 minutes of meditation. But even that 16 seconds will do your body good. It puts it into what's called the parasympathetic nervous system, which is that relaxed response in your body. It takes you out of the stress, and it just lets you compose yourself for, those few seconds. And it can be done with your eyes closed or your eyes open. So the next time you're feeling stressed, you're feeling like you just need to calm, even if it's just for a second, try 16 seconds. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 4, hold again. And if following your breath isn't taking you out of the situation, if it's not enough of a pattern interrupt, then add that 4 count to it, counting to 4 as you're doing it. So wishing you a wonderful day. Hope that this strategy, this tool, works for you. And I will see you on the path. Namaste.